PTE Help, Answer Short Question, Test 2. Question 1. How many alphabets are there in English? PTE Help, Question 2. A word is made with a combination of which thing? PTE Help, Question 3. What is a standard set of letters that is used to write one more languages, based upon the general principle? PTE Help, Question 4. Which field of study relates to human mind and behavior? PTE Help, Question 5. What's the item of footwear intended to protect and comfort the human foot? PTE Help, Question 6. Which part of the digestive system is essential for churning food? PTE Help, Question 7. What's the antonym of predecessors? PTE Help, Question 8. To drink water, where would one pour it from the bottle? PTE Help, Question 9. What is the antonym of nephew? PTE Help, Question 10. What do birds use to fly?
PTE Help, Answer Short Question, Test 2. Question 11. What is the subject of study at Culinary Institute? PTE Help, Question 12. What is the liquid mammals feed their babies? PTE Help, Question 13. PTE Help, Question 13. What is the month between January and March? PTE Help, Question 14. What is the antonym of vertical? PTE Question 15. If someone lives in urban area, where does he live? Question 16. The winner of the race is awarded with which medal? PTE Help, Question 17. Are antibodies harmful or beneficial for the patients? PTE Help. Question 18. Which symbol is used to complete the sentence? PTE Help. Question 19. What is the name of the subject involving arithmetic, geometry or algebra? PTE Help. Question 20. From where you can have a full view of the building. Inside or outside? PTE Help. Question 21. Telephone, typewriter or computer? Which came first? PTE Help. Question 22. Why do scientists wear gloves on their hands during experiments?
PTE Help. Question 23. What is the substitute of a computer, where every equipment is assembled in one piece?
PTE Help. Question 24. What is needed to see the things located far away? PTE Help. Question 25. Mention the synonym of thankful, starting with the letter G. Question 26. When a company's position improves, its revenue increases or decreases. PTE Help. Question 27. Which is usually against law? Usage of illicit drugs or prescribed medication. PTE Help. Question 28. To improve health, would you exercise or overwork? PTE Help. Question 29. How many months are in a year? PTE Help. Question 30. How many days are in a week? PTE Help. Question 31. In which direction does the sun come up? PTE Help. Question 32. Where do students are provided with notes and books in a college? PTE Help. Question 33. Where would you find the equipments like microscope, burner, beaker and thermometer? PTE Help. Question 34. While creating a table, the horizontal data is organized in rows, and in what dimensions the vertical data is organized? PTE Help. Question 35. Historians use evidence to conclude the past. Would a contemporary artist's painting of an ancient battle be an original source or secondary source?